One right and very long. Opens 30. One left tightens.
Today we'll be taking a look at the new sequential shifter made by Moza Racing. A sequential shifter is great for faster, more consistent shifts, allowing you to quickly change up and down gears. This sequential shifter uses a combination of a spring and ball spring resistance system, and the shifting requires an early peak force, after which the resistance drops, giving you an engaging feel just as in a real car. The sequential shifter comes well packaged, and in the box we have the user manual, some tools and bolts for mounting. There's the RJ cable for directly connecting to a compatible Moza wheelbase, or there's the USB cable for connecting directly to a PC. There's a solid machine aluminium shift knob with smooth knurling added for grip, and at the bottom there's an M12 internal thread for attaching it to the shifter. The included knob screws on easily, and having the screw-on thread gives you the option for further customization. The lever on the sequential shifter is CNC machined aluminium with 2 removable bolts, and this allows for easy repositioning of the lever with various adjustments of height. The sequential shifter has a solid build and feel with a sleek black anodized finish, and on the sequential we can find an additional lever. This lever can be used as a neutral selector lever, allowing you to quickly change back to neutral if needed. That is, if the game has an assignable function for neutral. But as it's a single momentary switch on the lever, it can also be used to assign other functions. There are 2 tactile mechanical momentary RGB buttons on the lower part of the sequential body. These are in a handy location and can be mapped or assigned to any in-game function. The colours are quickly customised within the Pithouse software, and we can also adjust the brightness of the buttons with a key light slider. The mounting points are found on both ends and on the bottom of the sequential shifter. There's plenty of mounting options with 6 holes at the ends and 8 threaded M6 holes towards the centre. The 2 outer holes on the centre line measure 165mm apart, and the 2 inner threaded holes measure 40mm and 125mm apart. This gives you options to mount the sequential shifter to a sim rig with mounting access from the top or from the underside. For desk users there's an optional table clamp. The table clamp is made of a high strength steel and has a solid 4mm mounting base. And with the sequential shifter installed, the table clamp will fit desks up to 60mm in thickness. All the electronics are housed inside the sequential shifter, along with non-contact high-precision hall sensors, providing accuracy and a long maintenance-free life. For connection, the sequential shifter is connected to a compatible Moza wheelbase with the shifter port and with the included RJ cable, or directly connected to a PC via the USB port for use with any wheelbase. I do like that it can be connected directly to the wheelbase, and this saves having additional USB cables plugged into a PC. The sequential shifter has approximately 4cm of travel each way. This has a nice firm initial resistance before a tactile feel to let you know the shifts have engaged. And whilst not adjustable, travel feels just right when ripping through the gears. The Moza sequential shifter performs well with a tactile firm feel, with good initial resistance before engaging the gear. It has a solid high quality build and is easy to mount and set up for racing. It offers adjustability for the handle position and interchangeable shift knobs for customization. If you're looking for faster and more consistent shifts, the Moza Racing sequential shifter allows you to change up and down gears quickly, which makes it an excellent addition for rally and drifting, or for sim racing drivers that enjoy using a sequential shifter.
6 right of a crest, 80. 3 left, tightens 2. 50. Crest, into 5 left long, tightens 3 long. Into 6 right of a crest long. Tightens of a crest long.